Hi, my name's John Delaney. I'm from Rockland County, New York. I decided to attend Drone Command Live because I did a mini workshop with y'all last week, I believe, or 2 weeks ago, and you offered this course for a discounted price. You know, you guys seem like nice guys, very knowledgeable. I'm just starting out. I got my accountant's working on my business application now. We got the name Drone Innovations Ltd. So I'm waiting for that to get done. Start buying some equipment and start marketing and getting going out and getting some content. Currently a fire and explosives inspector for the FDNY. I'm looking for an exit plan, to retire early and start my own business. This touches a lot of my business. We do outdoor festivals with pyrotechnics and fire, and I'm starting to see more and more drones filming the artist, filming the pyro, filming the crowd, and same with blasting and construction industry. I see a lot of drones doing mapping, site surveys. So it does touch a lot of what I do, and I'm just looking for pointers and business practices and everything I can get my hands on with drones right now. And you guys are helping me tremendously, and I'd like to thank you for that. And hope to talk to you soon. Thank you.